Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to biometrics and password. Enter lock screen password and go to change unlock method. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords: 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern PIN, password and 6-digit PIN. Let's set up only 4-digit PIN because basically the pins are the same but with different length. So let's enter your 4-digit PIN. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. Again, go to change lock screen password, change unlock method, and this time let's select password. Enter password containing from 4 to 32 characters. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select pattern, tap down, and it's set. Now let's go to fingerprint ID, select unlock device, and now tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. The sensor is located on the power button. Tap OK, and now we can use fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face recognition and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.